Hello, gym owners. I'm Matthew Becker from Gym Lawyers PLLC. Now, before we get into the topic of this video, let's just understand that all of the information in this video is meant as educational material and is meant for educational purposes only. Nothing that I say can be taken as legal advice, and nothing in this video creates any kind of attorney-client privilege between you and my firm. The situation that you are facing is unique to you, and the law may apply differently than it does to somebody else. So if you have specific questions about how your situation and the law come together, please reach out to us at gymlawyers.com. The topic of this video is what to do when you find yourself in a situation where a trainer or a coach at your gym or fitness facility turns out to not be certified or not have a trainer certificate, and how to avoid the problems that can cause. We would like to thank Affiliate Guard for sending us this question and topic for this video. Affiliate Guard is an insurance provider for micro gyms. They understand the unique nature of running a micro gym and the individual needs that you as an owner have. So they provide policies that meet those very specific needs. This particular factual scenario is one that insurance companies like Affiliate Guard see quite often. So we want to help you avoid it. Here's the basic factual scenario. Let's assume you're running, of course you run a gym. It doesn't really matter what kind of gym this is. It could be like a CrossFit gym, a powerlifting gym, a yoga studio, Pilates studio, mixed martial arts. It doesn't matter. Okay, the bottom line is you own it, you run it, and it's growing to the point that you need some help. So you go out and you try to hire another trainer or a coach. And you find somebody that you like, you hire them, you train them, and you start to put them in front of a client or clients in order to train. And then you get word one day that the client was injured while training under this new employee. What do you do? Well, the first thing you need to do is make sure that the incident report is filled out. That's something we're going to cover in a different video. The second thing you need to do is you need to contact your insurance company to make them aware of the situation. You don't know what's going to come down the pipe with this injured member, so you've got to let your insurance company know ASAP. When you contact your insurance company, expect that they're going to start asking you a lot of questions. They need to gather as much information as possible about the incident. One of the questions that they are inevitably going to ask you, well, I guess actually two questions, is first, is the trainer certified? Or was the trainer certified? And second, are those certifications current? If the answer to either of these questions is no, then the insurance company now has the potential to deny your claim. If the insurance company denies your claim, then you and your business are left to defend any legal claims that come for that injured client by yourself. You're going to be responsible for paying for defense costs. You're going to be responsible for paying any kind of settlement that comes out of any lawsuit. You're going to be responsible for paying any verdict if the thing goes all the way to trial. And most micro gyms that I've worked with can't afford a settlement or a legal verdict that's worth tens or hundreds of thousands or even $1 million. That's a potential business-ending situation. So how do we avoid this? It's quite easy, actually. The first thing you need to do is right now, go and reach out to all of your trainers and ask them for copies of any trainer certificates or other certifications that they have that give them the knowledge and background and ability to train at your facility. If they can't provide it to you, well, now you've got the problem that you have to resolve ASAP. If they do provide it to you, take that, contact your insurance company and say, hey, insurance company, does my policy recognize this certification or this trainer's certificate as legitimate? There are some out there that insurance companies won't recognize. But generally speaking, insurance companies like Affiliate Guard will look at these and say, yes, as long as it's a legitimate certification, we recognize it, and your trainers are covered for any legal issues that arise from their actions while they're on duty serving something at your facility, and they don't require the trainer to have their own individual insurance policy. And therefore, you're covered. Issues like this are completely preventable if you take actions now to prevent it from ever becoming an issue in the future. At Gym Lawyers PLLC, we have over 10 years of legal experience and gym ownership experience to help you avoid these problems. We've been there, or we've avoided similar situations, and now we have the knowledge and experience to make sure that you don't come upon one of these situations that is either going to potentially hurt or destroy your business. Take this time now to make sure that you're protected in the future.